special delivery. Five Drinks & Co. has sent us 3 of their ready-to-drink cocktails, and we're going to be unboxing them for you today.
Ooh, okay. Five Drinks Co. We make craft, ready-to-drink cocktails that don't suck. Well, we'll be the judges of that today.
So the 3 flavors we're going to be trying today are their Margarita, Moscow Mule, and Mojito.
I really like the packaging. It's very in your face.
Right.
It actually tells you all of the ingredients in the cocktail right here. This one is a margarita, and it contains tequila, triple sec, lime juice, hibiscus, and habanero agave nectar.
Oh wait, what? It's hibiscus and habanero? I've never had an hibiscus habanero margarita.
Especially from a can.
So it's 10% alcohol, which is more than your average beer and more than your average hard seltzer. So you're gonna get a little bit more buzz off these.
I like it.
Excited.
Thank you.
Wow, they're a lot smaller than I thought they were gonna
They're
be.
tiny.
They're so cute though. All right. Hibiscus margarita, what do you taste like? Oh.
Okay.
Oh, you taste good, hibiscus margarita. It's pretty strong. I also like my drink strong. So, there's that.
I've never actually tasted a cocktail from a can, and I really like this.
We love our freshly squeezed lime juice, all of that, and this tastes like a legit cocktail. But it's delicious.
Yeah,
I like it a lot.
is a craft cocktail.
Mm-hmm.
They nailed it on this one. Why didn't you cheers?
I know. Gosh, you're so rude. She didn't cheers me.
Okay, let's taste the mojito because I love mojitos. It contains rum, obviously, passion fruit, mint, cane sugar, and carbonated water. So it is a passion fruit mojito, you guys. I'm very excited right now. Cheers.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, I am there.
That's a bomb.
I'm with that one.
Honestly, this is freaking amazing.
It tastes like the passion fruit cocktails that we make.
I've actually sat it so small because I would like a bigger can of this.
So mules are my go-to drink, so I'm really excited about this cocktail. It contains vodka, lime juice, ginger beer, tamarind, and coconut water.
Coconut water?
I love coconut water.
Tamarind?
What is tamarind?
Yeah, I don't know tamarind, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out right now.
Google. What is tamarind?
The tamarind tree produces pod-like fruit that contains a brown, edible pulp used in cuisines around the world.
Okay.
Okay, I'm excited. I've never had tamarind before.
I've never had tamarind either. Maybe I have and I don't know. I don't know because I don't know what tamarind is. I do know that I love me some coconut water. I'm really excited to try it. I've never thought to put coconut water and ginger beer together. Have you?
Me neither. I never had a coconut Moscow Mule.
Do we need to make a coconut Moscow Mule?
Let us know. We'll make it.
Or we could buy this one because it's already made.
And we just don't have this one.
Lazy girl hack.
You know I'm all about the lazy girl hacks. They don't know that, but you do.
Yeah, I know.
Woo! I'm excited. Those were good. This one's gonna be good too. Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
This is fire, you guys.
Wow. I'm shook. I'm really picky about ginger beer, and the ginger beer in this, I don't know what brand they use, or like, do y'all make your own ginger beer? I don't know, but it's really good.
I really can't taste the coconut, but I think it's amazing. It tastes like a perfect Moscow Mule to me. Okay. I need to find out like what the sugar is in this because
Honestly.
these are way too good. These are the ingredients. That's it? That's all there is?
So, yeah.
That's wild.
I'm really shocked.
Like I cannot.
So how many
believe-
calories are these?
I know, I don't know. They're not too sweet, not too strong. I mean, I'm definitely feeling a little tipsy right now, so they're perfectly strong.
They work. They do the job.
Thirsty approved. We like it. Send more.
You can get this delivered to you through Drizzly. Use our link below and you can get $5 off. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you try Five Drinks & Co., let us know what you think, because we love it, okay?
Honestly, you're welcome.
It's amazing.
Okay, bye. Gotta go.
There's pizza here. We gotta go.
I'm gonna go.
Great.
See ya.